Okay guys, so before this video starts, I'm gonna do a little bit of an announcement. And that's about my school, okay? It's a story about my school. And there's some hidden secrets in my school that I don't know. And the teachers is not talking about it. So, yeah, if you wanna know what is the story, there's some secret stories about my school. Check them in the description down below. And yeah, so I want you guys to check the description down below, please, because there's an amazing story about my school, and I hope you guys will read it. So yeah, just get in the video. So apparently guys, we're gonna make this fidget spinner get wrapped in clay. And yeah, we're gonna use this multicolored clay. It's not satisfying.
I think you chose a good
crazy.
song.
Suggestion mo lang siguro crazy. It's has some sky blue and brown, which is not a good combination.
Last note pa, medyo parang nawala ka sa ano di ba yung parang yung stage press mo kailangan.
But anyway, so let's just start on this video and let's get started.
Next song, di ba?
I'm very sure if this fidget spinner will fit.
I like how you did it.
A smaller one.
Yung style. Kasi di ba pa siya mo yung
look at that, guys. It's like I made an earth, or I made a model of earth with just brown things. It should be green, but yeah, it's brown, but still, it looks like earth. So yeah, keep on doing that so that it would be so flat. I'm very sorry about that, guys. Because this clay that I use is not as big as clay though. It's as small as this bar.
Ang boses niya parang yung kumanta ng Sound of Silence sa ano. Ikaw sa bagong grupo kumanta ng Sound of Silence. Ang rock band. Ano ba yun?
And those clays aren't that big. It's just this big.
Alright, maraming salamat Duncan Ramos and Mr.
It's not as big as clay though. It's just like that. Just like small bars. Sorry guys. Yeah, keep on doing that. I hope I have clay though, so that it's gonna be even more bigger than this. We're gonna get this colorful fidget spinner.
Merong favorite, parang para sa akin.
Ano?
Galing rin ako sa rock. Pero for me, dapat lahat ng genre matutunan mong mahalin para maging open ka. Kasi gano'n naman ang music. Walang pinipiling genre.
For you to be a better musician.
Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna spread this one. It's not as big as the clay, so we're gonna just keep on making it wide as wide. There you go. I hope it's fine. It's definitely not fine. I'm gonna squish the fidget spinner there. Be like that. This looks crazy, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's crazy looking. See? I'm just gonna move some scissors and this clay tray. This is what I'm using to make the camera just, stand by its own, because the camera can't balance. But here, look at that. Doesn't that look so crazy? It's like a combination of brown and sky blue clay with a rainbow fidget spinner. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look so amazing? So amazing to look at. Anyway, so yeah. So after we do this, we're gonna put up the clay. Oh, okay. Doesn't even leave any fidget spinner marks, so we're gonna do it again. I'm sorry guys. And then we're gonna squish this clay to there.
Gusto ko na i-cancel yung commercial shoot ko sa mga cosmetic. Hindi naman talaga maganda yung makeup nila. Kasi yung A&J Atelier, ang papangit ng mga damit nila, ang babaduy ng mga outfit nila. Ayoko nang isuot yun. Ayoko nang magstay dito sa kabaduyan na set na to. Ang pangit! Ang pangit! Huska! Eject na mga yan! Eject!
Sige nga, Mateo. I-eject mo na rin yan si Jackson. My love from the
There you
start.
go. And after that, we're gonna
From me.
I don't know what to do actually, guys. Just made this by my own without any instructions to do so. Yeah. After that, gonna squish this fidget spinner.
When two awesome things
Whoa.
collide, the result is
I
pure
made
awesomeness.
a
Just
mistake.
like Hershey's,
Look
which
at that.
combines crunchy cookies
See?
with real chocolate.
One way to open your fidget spinner and what's inside.
Cream. Awesome too,
Basically, it's like this. Like that, guys. Push it back. Fit in! Okay. I think I permanently destroyed this fidget spinner.
Your aunties are coming, okay? Huh?
It's one of those spiky fidget spinners. So yeah. So this kind of video is actually a wrong thing. I just destroyed my own fidget spinner. And it's not amazing. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is all my fault. I'm so dumb. My only one fidget spinner is destroyed. It cost me $60. No, it's not $60. It's $50. This fidget spinner cost me $50 or $10. Still play with it. Okay. But still, this fidget spinner cost me $50 or $10. In the Philippines money, it's 60 pesos or $50 or $10. So yeah, I just destroyed my very own fidget spinner. There you go, guys. That's the end of my fidget spinner, guys. So look at that.
May bagong brown coffee.
Look at that.
Look
Look at the mess I made with this fidget spinner. It's now destroyed.
For me, ganito dapat ang brown coffee.
Anyways, at least I have a fidget spinner just right there. It's not only my fidget spinner, so could go there if you want. And we're not gonna use that fidget spinner. It might turn out like this. Well, it looks like an Oreo. See? So like the Oreo is with orange with metal thing. Okay. But I do have some fidget spinners there. So just wait there, guys. I'm gonna show you my fidget spinners. This video gone wrong. I didn't expect this to happen. So this is not set up, and I don't actually know what happened here. I'm so fast. I don't know if you guys understand me, but I'm gonna show you the fidget spinners quickly. So apparently, guys, this is some of the fidget spinners that I got. This one is still packed because this is new, and this one is 5-sided, or yeah, see? 5-sided with a star. When you spin it, it doesn't even last long, and it has some marbles there. And here is the yellow one. It's 3-sided, and it has some marbles as well, like all over my mouth. Still, here's the yellow fidget spinner. It has some marbles. This one has some marbles as well, and this one is destroyed. But anyways, guys, I think I have to end the video there. So yeah, this thing is now crazy. Okay, guys, let's just put this fidget spinners away, because these new ones might get short as well.
Unstoppable, dandruff-free freshness with clear.
I'm gonna get this green one.
In tomato sauce. delicious. Sardines ko, 5
But yeah, guys, that's the end of the life of this fidget spinner. It's dead. But of course, guys, as I mentioned earlier, please read the description down below because there's a story about my school, and I hope you guys will read it. So,
Fights 99.9% of pimple-causing
yeah.
bacteria. Works in 3 days.
Yeah.
Also try Clear Solution Scrub.
6 out of 10 Filipinos ang
So yeah, bye guys.
kulang ang breakfast.
See you again in the next video where I'm gonna unpack that yellow fidget spinner and hopefully it doesn't turn out like this. Like that. Okay guys, I'm mixing the colors because I want to see what does it look like. But you guys will see it at the next video. So yeah, guys, goodbye and see you again in the next video. I'm very sorry guys that I didn't make a video for such a long time. So yeah, guys, bye.
Ilang pang anti-odor, pang anti-itch and irritation din. 8 pesos pa on all 50
There.
ml bottles. Try nyo na.
Look at that fidget spinner. This is transplant. This one's removed, and this is the new one. Look at that spin. Made the thing right there. So yeah, guys. Hopefully, read the description down below, and see you again, guys, for the next video. Goodbye.
Mrs. Goodman Chunky Cookie Cream Pie from Good Moms. Mrs. Goodman, if you're looking for an air con, why not Kondura?